seller on Amazon, UAE or Saudi Arabia, and you're waiting until Prime Day to fix your ads, it's already too late. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly the strategies that you need to follow before Prime Day, during Prime Day, and after Prime Day to ensure that you get the best benefit while maintaining your ads budget. Now, why should you listen to me? The Amazon Sellers Society is an award-winning agency and a certified partner to Amazon in the Middle East. I myself am an Amazon ads educator, and we've been supporting sellers since 2019 in the region, and we've seen the exact strategies that work during the most traffic heavy and the most exciting sales event on Amazon every single year, Prime Day. So let's get started. Let's make this very simple. Prime Day is no longer a one-day spike. In fact, in 2025, Amazon UAE and Saudi Arabia launched Prime Day as a full 7-day event. And deals spanned across 30 different categories. This is not a tiny event. This is a high traffic, high sales event that you certainly want to benefit. You want to benefit from it, certainly in 2026, where it's going to fall anywhere in June. Now, if you're building your Amazon business, which I know most of you are, this is a very important event, as more traffic might just lead to more sales, hopefully, or it might lead to just more traffic and more ad spend. So, to ensure that you get lots of sales and you are ready for this fantastic event, I've built a 5-step framework that I'm gonna walk you through it in this video that's gonna prepare you from start to finish. If you want the full details, I've also added all of the information in a downloadable PDF. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video. Let's start with step number 1. Do not advertise every product. Hold on, this is gonna seem a little bit weird, but yes, you should not be advertising just for the case of advertising. Specifically here, we are talking in Prime Day. You should be selective about the products that you want to advertise and promote and push during Prime Day. Primarily, these products need to be performing very well. So if your mindset is, great, it's Prime Day, let me just sell out products that are already performing very, very, very poorly, this is not gonna work. Products during Prime Day that perform very well are already performing very well. So you need to focus on the ASINs that are most likely to convert. Number 1, they've got good reviews. Number 2, they have strong images. Number 3, they are competitively priced. Number 4, of course, you've got available inventory. Number 5, you can enroll them in a coupon or a Prime exclusive deal. And number 5, to wrap it up, the product page is very, very clear. See, according to Amazon Ads data, during Prime Day, if you are properly advertising, your product page will see an increase of a minimum of 22% extra traffic into your product detail page. So that traffic can just be clicks, or it can be clicks that convert. So before you raise your budget or before you start advertising every single product, ask yourself and be very honest. If 1,000 people come into your product page today, will they buy your product? If the answer is no, because you know, and historically this hasn't been happening, then this should not be a product that should be advertised. You should work on it prior to pushing it via Prime Day. Step number 2, combine deals with ads. The way customers purchase products during Prime Day is completely different. Customers are logging into Amazon and they're looking for deals. I know this from myself. I'm a person that waits for Prime Day every single year. And yes, of course, I'm logging into Amazon looking for deals. So if you think you're not gonna discount your product at all, this product will not sell, even if you advertise it. You're gonna get clicks, you're gonna spend a lot of money because ads become more expensive during Prime Day, but you're not gonna convert. So if you do not have the margins to do proper discounts, if you're just gonna do like a little bit of a discount, customers more likely are gonna choose somebody else's product, your competitor. Amazon Ads data shows that products with a deal and an ad saw an increase of 12 times more sales during Prime Day than products that were just advertising. So you make the decision. Step number 3, increase your ads budget before Prime Day, not just on Prime Day. So don't be lazy and don't wait last minute. Lots of customers actually start shopping prior to Prime Day, as whenever Prime Day starts, they just want to get those deals straight out of the way and they don't want products to run out. Plus, additionally, you want to restructure your ads and test out what is working and what is not working days before Prime Day. So you need to start increasing, and this is guidelines coming from Amazon Ads. You need to start increasing your ad budget by an increments of 20 to 30% every, or probably 3 to 5 days before the actual Prime Day event starts. Not only that, you need to make sure that you do the following. You need to check your search term report. You need to create manual campaigns from keywords that are converting properly. You need to pause any wasteful keywords. Again, that's because ads during Prime Day become more expensive. And most importantly, the ad campaigns that are generating the most sales, make sure that they are not suffocating due to low budgets. Prime Day is not a time for you to just guess, it's a time to execute. So you need to be prepared well before time. Step number 4, think beyond sponsored product ads. So sponsored product ads, the standard ads that every single seller can use that show up on the search results page, are normally the type of ads that I just tell you are very highly impressive. That is true, they're very good. Those are the ads that get you the most sales. But again, during Prime Day, customers' shopping behavior changes and customers tend to dig a little bit deeper because they're looking for a great deal. So they're looking for things differently, for different cues in order to decide to buy your product. So the best way, and this is primarily, of course, if you are brand registered, would be to use sponsored product, sponsored brand, and sponsored display. Basically being everywhere and anywhere and sending customers not only to your product pages but also to your storefront so that they can discover and fall in love with your brand. Step number 5, don't turn everything off after Prime Day. This is a common mistake that a lot of sellers make. Remember, not all customers act the same way. A lot of customers have buyer's remorse, or they have actually fear of missing out. So what they end up happening is, once Prime Day is done, they remember, oops, Prime Day is done, and then they come back and decide to purchase the product then, sometimes even at a full price. So it's important that after Prime Day, you don't disappear. Instead, review which keywords converted well during Prime Day and focus on those, which ASINs got the most clicks, which campaigns spent a lot of money but didn't generate sales, and overall, which products gained a lot of visibility. All of this information is very valuable for you to restructure your ads and focus on what matters. The cool thing about Amazon Prime Day is that you get so much data in because it's a big amount of traffic coming in a short window of time, that you can utilize that traffic correctly in order to ensure that you continue growing your business past Prime Day. But what is most important is that you do things differently than everyone else. Do not stop your ads, readjust them. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment the word Prime and I'll pick one winner in the next video that can win a consultation call with me where we can go over all of your Amazon related questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.